In this video, we're going to learn how to solve these JAMB commerce problems under ICT. So we're going to focus on the subtopic terms of computer and problems. We have about 14 to 50 questions to practice with the video. Let's get started. The first question I have here says a set of instructions and each document that tells a computer what to do or how to perform a task is. We have system software, computer system, application software, computer software. The right answer is option D, computer software. Okay, next question. It says a predominant markup language for web pages is HTML. Option D. Alright, next question. The process of eliminating a virus from a computer program is debugging. Option D. Okay, next question. It says in a permanent storage device, DASD means direct access storage device, data access storage device, direct access system device, data access system device. So guys, the right answer to this question is option A, which is direct access storage device. Okay, next question. It says a printed copy of process information from the computer is the hard copy. Option A. Next question. A memory that can be read and write and is volatile is known as RAM. Option A. Okay, next question. The process of decoding data in a computer is known as decryption. Option C. Next question. A set of instructions and each document that tells the computer what to do or how to perform a task is. This is a question. Is computer software. Option B. Next question. It says a self-contained chunk of code with principal aim to replies, preferably undetected, to copy itself into the computer's memory and the computer's hard disk is virus. Option C. Okay, next question. It says the predominant markup language for web pages is HTML. Question. Next question. The same thing, a self-contained chunk, so it's virus. Is a question. Next one. The process of transferring data from one computer to another is referred to as downloading. Option A. Next question. The major problem of confronting cybercrime operators is poor network coverage, advanced fee fraud by clientele, copyright violation by clients, high operating costs. Right answer is option D, high operating costs. Next question. It says a predominant markup language, so it's HTML. Option B. Last question for end this video. The symbol art in an internet mail address is used to link the user with other internet users, link the user with the machine, separate the username from the machine name, locate the addresses of internet users. Right answer is option C. It's used to separate the username from the machine name. So guys, this basically can do problems involving problems and terms in ICT. We practice with about 14 to 15 questions for this video. Hope you guys found the interest of the video. This could be there, guys. If you are new to this channel, ensure that you subscribe to this channel by hitting the subscribe button for more of these videos. So like, share and comment on this video. Let me know if you watch the length of the video. If you seem to have any specific questions as you can watch or talk about the video, feel free to leave a question in the comment section below, and I will sure to give you a response. Also, you share parts of the channel membership by clicking the join button and getting premium information and help yourself in your student exams like a JAMB and other student exams you'll be writing. So having done this, click the next button and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.